Hello, everyone. So we do what he said. We build the first foundation model for surgery. So we figured out a big problem in operative room by shadowing a lot of surgeons during months. After each surgery, a surgeon has to sit and to write an operative report. This is the only proof point of what happens in the surgery room. And this is a critical documentation for continuity of care, billing, and medical legal protection. But, as you can imagine, this takes hours per week. This is a big problem because surgeons have to choose between high quality documentation that will define everything else, everything that I told you about, or to bill operating hours and actually do what they know how to do, operate patients. We solve this trade-off. So at Uncovr, we built the first foundation model for surgery, the first model that understands surgical videos. Because today, 60% of surgeries are actually either robotic, either minimally invasive, so they are recorded. So I can show you how it works. Sorry, if you don't like, if you don't like blood or whatever, don't sue me. This is something like close your eyes. Okay, so this is the type of video we analyze. So I will pass you the details. This is actually done in real time. It's just for the demo, for the sake of the demo. But we process the video in real time during the surgery. During the surgery, we have a model that is doing reasoning, that is analyzing phases, steps, anomalies, instruments, knowing why the surgeon uses this type of instruments, why the surgeon adds this phase on the surgery. And this is because we do the first video understanding model. So onto that, you can see a lot of captions that shows what is happening in these specific frames, but the whole operative report is actually being written. Okay, so I will pass you the details, they're not very sexy. And in the very end, you have this report. So I will stop here. This is much more precise than any surgeon can do. Not that can do, more precise than any surgeon will do, because they don't have time for documentation. So we have this, we have the billing summary, the exact CPT code that they should bill, and we have everything that should be used for the patient safety. So, as you can imagine, we're not building that only on the sake of documentation. Building foundation model is not only for making surgeon gain some time, but just by making surgeon gain 1 hour per week, extra surgery per week, which means 3 hours per week, we make one department we work with adds up 4.5 million profit per year on adding up one surgery per week. This is huge. So this is our team. Johan here behind, the tech genius. So he already did the real-time video analysis for satellites and lunar rover that automatically go on the moon. I am here. And here, I'm the CEO of Uncovr. I have a background in tech bio. I was the first hire of a tech bio that raised multi-million on VC and come from a family of surgeons and also did some VC for MedTech and health techs. And we're joined by an amazing surgeon that is the chief of department in liver surgery and is helping us to open every door so we spend our days in operative rooms. So to give you a bit more on what he said, the vision is much bigger. We build a model that understands what happened in a surgery. This means that we can go into real-time guidance, going into saying to the surgeon what they should do instead of doing that, how to avoid errors, and going into autonomous robotic surgery, as the type of the robot that you see here. So if you want to use your code to make surgery safer and to really make a big impact in the world, contact us. We're hiring. We're already a team of 4 people, a full stack engineer from Shopify, an AI research engineer, and both of us. Thank you.